In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Jotform workflows. This process will allow you to streamline your tasks between these two platforms, making your workflow more efficient and organized. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Monday.com by opening your web browser and navigating to their website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on Login. This action will prompt you to enter your credentials, or you can choose to log in using your Google account for a quicker login experience. Simply select your Google account when prompted, and you'll be directed to your Monday.com dashboard. Once logged in, it's time to locate the board you want to integrate with Jotform. Your board contains all your necessary tasks and projects and is pivotal for setting up this integration. After navigating to your board, your next point of interest is the Integrate button, conveniently located at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this button will open up a new window offering you various integration options. Here, you'll want to click on More Integrations. This gives you access to the full suite of integration possibilities offered by Monday.com. Inside the search bar that appears, type in Jotform. The system will sift through its collection and pinpoint the Jotform integration you're interested in. Once it appears, click on Try It Now. This button hints at the next step of installing the integration within your current setup. Following the Try It Now prompt, you'll notice a button that says Install App. Click on this, which will indeed incorporate the Jotform application into your Monday.com setup. The installation process is straightforward and laid back, making it easy for you to get started almost immediately. Upon successfully installing the app, you may be prompted to choose Use Template. Go ahead and click on this to finalize setting up the integration. Using a pre-designed template can save you time and help you understand how data between Jotform and Monday.com will flow. Now, we're almost done. The last step of this integration process requires you to log into your Jotform account. Navigate back to the login screen and enter your Jotform credentials. You can choose an easy sign-in option if available, ensuring the whole process is seamless and without any hitches. And there you have it. Your Monday.com is now successfully integrated with Jotform, allowing for a smoother, more efficient way of managing your projects and forms. This integration helps to minimize repetitive tasks and keeps your focus where it should be, on getting your tasks done effectively and resourcefully. Enjoy your newly enhanced workflow. And remember, you can come back to this video anytime you need a refresher on these steps.